This is problem number 7 here. In this problem actually we have to show these two answers and this is very simple. See, I am taking LHS A, B, C, B, C, A and C, A, B. Whole square is there. I am also taking whole square. See, determinant square means we can take the same determinant 2 times. So, I am writing here determinant A, B, C, BCA and CAB, one determinant, like first determinant into second determinant ABC, BCA, CAB. See children, if you multiply these two determinant, I want to show this one answer. Don't see all the answers here, elements here, only if you adjust first element, automatically the remaining also adjusted. Like what you know, if I multiply first row with first column, then we will get 2bc minus a square. Actually this is the answer here. But when I multiply this one, a into a square, b into b square, c into c square, a square plus b square plus c square we are getting in the as a first element. But when I observe here, I am getting 2bc minus a square. So what to do? A into a square, this is okay. But b into b square we don't want, b into c we want. So in the second determinant, we are interchanging these R2 and R3. I am writing here. On applying, R2 double implies R3. Meaning is what you know, R3 here we are writing, this one here we are writing. When we change like that, minus we have to write in front of the determinant, that is formula. So determinant, the first determinant is as it is, ABC, BCA, CAB. This one is applicable only for the second determinant, okay, into. We are interchanging the rows, so minus we have to write in front of the determinant. Now A, B, C, now CAB we are writing in place of R2, CAB, the third one BCA. This is R3. Now again we see the multiplication, A into A square, B into C BC, C into B BC. So BC plus BC you will get 2BC. But what happened? A into A you are getting plus A square, but I want minus A square. Do one thing, this minus you just multiply with R1. Multiply minus with R1. So what you will get? You see here, ABC, BCA, CAB into, when I am taking minus instead of the determinant, you know, as you know the rules of determinant, whenever you are multiplying anything to the determinant, that is multiplying either the row or the column, only one column or one row, not the total determinant. So this minus is multiplying with R1. So what I have to write here? Minus A, minus B, minus C. The remaining are same. CAB, BCA. One more time I am telling, when we are multiplying minus with this determinant, this can be applicable only any one of the column or any one of the row. So I am multiplying with R1. Now it is adjusted. Now see the multiplication. First row, first column, determinant A into minus A, that is minus A square, B into C plus BC, C into B plus BC, that is in order, plus BC. Same row, second column, A into minus B, minus AB, second element, see, second element, B into A, that is AB, C into C, that is C square. Same row, third column, A into minus C, that is minus AC, B into B plus B square, C into A, that is AC. First row is completed. Similarly, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Then third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Okay. Now I am writing directly here minus AB plus C square plus AB minus B square plus AC plus AC minus BC plus BC plus A square. Now the last column, last row, sorry, CAB. So that is minus AC plus AC plus B square. C into minus B, that is minus BC plus A square plus BC. Third row, third column, C into minus C square plus AB plus AB. If you see minus AB plus AB cancel, minus AC plus A, no need to cut like this. Directly we can write the answer here. The answer is as it is 2BC minus A square, C square, B square, C square, 2AC minus B square, it is A square, it is B square, A square, the last one is 2AB minus C square. One of the answer is over. Now we have to show this one. Very simple. Again we have to write LHS. Now one answer is over now. So again we have to write LHS. So square is there for LHS. We are also taking, we are not taking square here. Okay, take square. Otherwise do one thing, don't write LHS. You just don't consider. So we are taking here what we are taking ABC, BCA, CAB. Without square I am taking. Okay. So that I am taking a consideration, not LHS here, consideration. We are considering like this, we are not taking square. Directly you do the determinant. A into eliminate the row column BC minus A square. For the middle number minus B, eliminate the row column B square minus AC plus C into eliminate the row column BA minus C square, that is AB minus C square. Now multiplying ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC plus ABC minus C cube. So that is nothing but 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. This is the determinant of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. If a square is there like ABC, BCA, CAB whole square, for answer also we have to keep square. 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube whole square. Whenever square is there, we can change minus as plus as minus. So according to answer, we have to show this one, no? So these three minuses will be changed as plus. A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This is positive, no? We can write negative whole square. This can be possible only in square problems. So your problem is over. This is problem number 7.